Short review to drop test in SolidWorks simulation. www.zerotocad.com.
Now in this video tutorial we want to explain the drop test, impact test, in SolidWorks simulation. OK. Click on New Study. And in the specialized simulation select drop test. OK. Good. Right-click on Setup and select Define/Edit. OK. In the Specify you can choose your test type. Drop or impact. In this example we simulated the drop test on this component. And in height, you can determine the height of falling down. For example, type the 3000 mm. And keep the from centroid condition. In gravity pink box you must determine the earth plane. Also you can change solution time after impact based on microsecond. And number of plots. And other important parameters. OK the command. Now you can run the drop test. Do it. OK. The run is completed and you can see the results. Right-click on Results and select the Define Stress Plot. In the Deform Shape select Automatic Type and OK the command. OK. You can see the stress value in colored column. Von Mises. And also right-click on Stress 2 and select Animation. You can see the falling down simulation. OK. That's very good.